Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are interested in machine learning or programming, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will show you how to install Python and Visual Studio Code, which are the two essential tools you need to start your programming and machine learning journey. Let's get started. The first thing we need is Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world and is widely used in machine learning, data science, automation, and cybersecurity. We will be installing Python from the official Python website. I'll drop the link in my description so you can grab it. This link will take you to the download page for Python. Let's install the current version, that is Python 3.146. After downloading, open Python on your desktop and double-click to follow the process to install. Before clicking install, make sure you tick the Add Python to Path option. This allows your computer to recognize Python from the command line and can prevent many beginner errors later. And wait for the installation to finish. To confirm that Python has been installed successfully, open the command prompt, which can be done by clicking Windows+R on your keyboard. Then type Python -- version. If you see a version number displayed, then Python has been installed correctly. Next, we need a code editor. Visual Studio Code, commonly known as VS Code, is one of the most popular code editors among developers because it is lightweight, powerful, and free. So let's install VS Code from its official website. The link will be in my description. Click on Download for Windows. After downloading, open it on your desktop and follow the process to install. You wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation is done, you can launch your VS Code. The next thing is to install Python and Jupyter extensions in your VS Code. You will see extensions on the left side bar in your VS Code, usually the fit icon. It looks like a 4 squares arranged in a 2x2 grid. Or you can just type Shift plus Ctrl plus X to open the extensions. Search for Python and install. It has some dependent extensions which will also be installed automatically. Next is to install Jupyter. We install the ones published by Microsoft. It also has some dependent extensions which will also be installed automatically. To confirm that Python extension is successfully installed in your VS Code, click Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Search for Select Python as Interpreter. If it doesn't show, meaning there was a problem installing the Python extension in the VS Code, you can run print hello world to confirm your installations. If there are no errors, meaning the installations work perfectly. So congratulations on successfully installing Python and Visual Studio Code. In our next video, we will learn about installing the basic machine learning libraries in our Visual Studio Code. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content on machine learning. Bye!